Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch module up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is October 23, 2023, Monday. Option expiry for Nifty, tomorrow being holiday, right? First the levels, then what happened we'll discuss. Nifty closed 19404.80, 1.03% down, while BankNifty 1.3% down, closed at 43151.20. Nifty closed 1.34%, closed at 19281.75. So if you see on the face of it itself, Nifty was hammered severely. Why? BankNifty and Nifty both fell 1.34%. But why I am using the word Nifty severely? Because if BankNifty means you hit the top 5 stocks, BankNifty will be hit. But to hit Nifty 1.34, that means it is an all-round hit. That means the overall market was down and out completely. Bear attack, bulls were running for cover. That is what technically what happened. Anyway, what happened? If you recollect, last 2 days, that is Thursday and Friday, it formed a solid green candle but holding the Bollinger Lower Band. But it was not a great reversal. Normally, if you recollect, anyone who sees my video regularly will know that the first reversal to be ignored, second reversal also to be ignored, third reversal is a confirmed reversal. These two candles that it formed is not even a reversal. It is just, it went there, from there it bounced. That's all. It is not a reversal. Reversal is what? It is something where it particularly it opens significantly gap down and forms a reversal pattern, any of the reversal patterns, which you can see in my educational videos in Fibocan's YouTube channel. In the candlesticks, we have talked of all the various types of candles, or there are many people who have put videos or general videos also available. So one can see that. If that reversal happened, then we can say reversal. Also, the exponential, it was always below the exponential moving average. That means till it is below that, it is not a reversal. It has to reverse and close above the exponential moving average. Now with today's such a hammering, what had happened? BankNifty is now below the 200-day exponential moving average. In fact, I would call it as decisively below that. It is not even just like slightly below, it is decisively below. While Nifty is still above certain levels, but it is also below the Bollinger Lower Band. So today what happened? Solid big red candle, everything formed below the Bollinger Lower Band. So there is a good and bad about such a candle being formed. The bad first is it can continue and slide down along the Bollinger Lower Band if the global markets is weak. And if you recollect, I have always been telling that October and November there is going to be a fall. I said that November big fall will come. It came in October. That's the only difference, right? The good part is that if there is panic selling that happens, please understand, nobody knows, okay, the panic selling, how it will happen, all of a sudden there will be sudden downpour, like how it happened from 2:55 3 p.m. today till the close. It has to go extremely down, and from there, like, bears should lose control and bulls should take over. If that happens, that is a clear reversal. So for which if at all there is some panic selling, then you can expect some reversal, or it has to be a gradual reversal that has to happen. These are the two ways in which reversal will happen. Otherwise, it will be more of a continuation pattern, continuing this downward trend. So with today's down move, with the type of candle, it formed a big, very big, solid, big red candle, bearish engulfing candle, which is an extremely negative candle, closing below the Bollinger Lower Band in the daily chart. In the weekly chart, it is below the Bollinger Middle Band. It has decisively broken down. Hence, it is something very important. And FinNifty and BankNifty in this calendar year 2023, forget any new highs. The new high that it formed some time back, for BankNifty, it is 46,300 and some odd level. I don't know the exact numbers now. That is the high that it has formed. Likewise, FinNifty 20,666 or something, it formed a high. That is going to be the high for 2023. Forget any new highs. That's not going to happen. So with today's candle, with that reversal that it had happened, all the stocks were hit. Let's go into the analysis part of it. Banks, AU, HDFC Bank fell 1%. Axis Bank, Bandhan Bank, Federal Bank, IndusInd Bank, Kotak, SBI 2% down. IDFC 3% down. ICICI was the sole saver today, I would say. It remained flat. On the financials, Bajaj Finserv 1% down, Chola LIC Housing Finance, M&M Finance 2% down, Jio 3% down, Jio Financials I mean, L&T Finance 4% down, Manappuram 5% down. Muthoot was the sole performer, moving up by nearly 1%. In the insurance and cards, ICICI Pru, SBI Cards 1% down, SBI Life and HDFC Life 2% down, LIC 3% down. Oil and Telecom, Bharti and Reliance 1% down. In the IT, Infi and Techem 1% down, Cofor, HCL, LTTS, Mphasis, TCS, Wipro 2% down, Apple 3% down, 4% down, Birlasoft, Intellect down by 6%. You can see that IT stocks are hammered left, right, center. That's why you are seeing such a fall. And Wipro is one stock which is it's every day it is falling. Wipro, TCS also is falling big. On the consumer goods, Asian Paints, Britannia, ITC, Page Industries, Pidilite, Titan 1% down, Bata, Berger, Colpal, Trent down 2%, PVR 4% down, ABFRL 6% down. A stock like ABFRL falling 6%, that means there is something inherent problem overall in the structure of the market, which you can see. So the structure of the market is very, very weak. On the automobiles, Ashok Leyland, Eicher, Bharat Forge, Bajaj Auto, TVS Motor 1% down, Hero Motors, Maruti, Tata Motors 2% down, Escorts 3% down. Metals hammered, Coal and Tata Steel 2% down, Hindalco, JSW, Jindal and Vedanta 3% down, NMDC and SAIL 4% down, National Aluminium 5% down. Health and Pharma, Ciplo and Davies 1% down, Metropolis and Sun Pharma 2% down, Lalpath and Sun Pharma 2% down, Lalpath and Metropolis 3% down. In the others category, Godrej, Havels, IndiaMart, Polycab 1% down, L&T, Indigo, Ultratech 2% down, DLF, Adani Enterprise, Adani Ports, Nykaa, UPL 3% down, APL Apollo, IRCTC, M6, Zomato 4% down, Aries 5% down. So if you see that overall everything was hammered today. In fact, Nifty is Nifty, BankNifty, everything is Nifty is still above September lows, but BankNifty and everything is below September lows. So in fact, the global markets like Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is below September lows. So actually markets mimic. Every market goes in tandem because it is globally interconnected. That is what it is. Anyway, with that, what is the levels that we can expect for option expiry on Thursday this week. Wednesday is not going to be option expiry for Bank Nifty and Nifty. See, on the upper side, it is relatively easy to say that what level is going to act as a very strong resistance. The Bollinger Middle Band on the daily chart for Bank Nifty, which is at 44,230, that will act as a very good resistance. While support is extremely difficult, the one thing that one can think of is the weekly. In the weekly chart, Fibonacci 161.8, that means it is very low. So that is the level. Probably you can see in the charts, that is something which one can think of. In the Nifty, in the case of Nifty, it is 100-day moving average which will act as a resistance, because from here on, first it has to cross the 100-day moving average, which is like crossing the Mount Everest. On the support side, again, the Fibonacci 161.8 on the weekly chart can hold as support. So again, it all depends on how the global markets place. Today and tomorrow we will react for 2 days. Today and tomorrow we will react on Wednesday. Thank you very much.